Hello everyone, my name is Poonam Muzmule. I am the student of Brisson Institute. Today topic is on a blood. Blood it is a vital liquid in a body that keeps alive by performing a several an essential task. It flows through a blood vessels like arteries, veins, and capillaries, and a heart pump it continuously to reach every part of the body. Blood act as a delivery system, a waste and remove and a healer, um, also a protector. Then blood is made up of blood has four main components, each with a specific roles. Then first it is a red blood cells. It means it is RBC. Red blood cells are responsible for transporting oxygen from lungs to body, tissue and organ. They also carry a carbon dioxide, waste, waste gas, and lungs and back to the lungs, and can breathe it out. RBC get their red color for protein called hemoglobin, which bind with oxygen and help it to deliver efficiently. Then they are the most abundant cell in a blood, making up about 45% of it. Then next to the white blood cell, it means a WBC. White blood cell are body's defense system. They fight off infection by attacking germs like bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Then some white blood cell also keep a heal injuries and prevent diseases. Although fewer in a number compared to red blood cell, they are a vital role for keeping healthy. Then next is a platelet. Platelet are a tiny cell fragment that help in blood clotting. When cut is occur and injury gets, platelet stick together and form to stop bleeding. This process prevent from losing too much blood and help wound heal faster. Then next is plasma. Plasma is a liquid part um, in body, making about a 55% of its total volume. Then it is a yellowish fluid that carries nutrients, hormones, and protein to different part of the body. Then plasma also help remove a waste product like a carbon dioxide, urea, and other toxin by transporting them to organ like lungs and kidney for elimination. Then function of a blood play a key role to keeping healthy and alive. Then next it is it deliver oxygen and nutrients. Blood carries oxygen from lungs and nutrients from food to every cell to the body. Then giving them energy to work. And next is remove a waste. Blood take away waste product like a carbon dioxide, toxin from a cell, and transport them to lung, liver, and kidney. Then it fight infection. White blood cell protect from destroying harmful germs and producing antibodies to fight diseases. Also, then next is clot to stop bleeding, platelet and special protein in plasma. They are work together to form a clot. When there is some injury, at that time blood losses and it heal. um, and next is it also regulate a body temperature. Body help to distribute heat throughout the body, and also maintain a stable internal temperature. Then transport a hormone. Blood carries a hormone, the chemical messenger from glands to different parts of the body, and it help regulate the growth, energy, and other process. Then next, maintain the pH and balances. Blood keep the right level of acidity and balances of a fluid and electrolyte in body. There is a different types of blood types in a body. There is a four main type: AB or O. These type are determined by the protein on the surface of a red blood cell. Blood type can also be positive or negative, depending and presence of another protein called the Rh factor. Then blood type, it is important because during a blood transfusion, donor and recipient blood type must match to avoid a harmful infection. And the blood circulate from heart pump through two main circuit. First, it is pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary circulation. Then blood flows from heart to lungs and pick up the oxygen and drop of the carbon dioxide. Then next, it is systemic circulation. In this, blood carries oxygen and nutrients from the heart and rest to rest of body. Then the count of the blood, it is about 5 liters in 5 liters of blood in an adult. Blood travels through a network of blood vessel. Then red blood cells are live about 120 days before they are replaced. In a body about 2 million of new red blood cells are generated every second. Blood, it is important because without blood, body would be unable to function, and as it plays a critical role in nearly every aspect of survival. Blood acts as a delivery system, transporting essential oxygen from lungs to all tissue and organ. Without this oxygen, cell would not be able to produce energy, and leading to organ failure, and eventually death. In addition, oxygen blood carries the nutrients derived from food, and it also provides energy and repairing tissue, and it also helps to support the growth. Without these nutrients, body would not lack and fuel it need to sustain a life. Blood, it is also essential for removing waste product generated by body cells during the normal activities. Example, carbon dioxide, it is a byproduct of cellular respiration, and it is transported by blood from your tissue to lungs. Then it is expelled when exhale. Similarly, blood carries a waste product such as toxin, metabolic byproduct through a kidney and a liver, through a filtration and excretion. Without blood to remove this waste, it be difficult, and it create causing a toxicity and severe health issue. Then in an immune system, it rely heavily on a blood to fight an infection and protect the body from harmful infection and bacteria, then viruses, and which the blood which carried by the blood, then destroying this type of infection. Then next it is fight against a differentiate diseases. Then illness, blood also play a vital role in regulating a body temperature, distribute eventually throughout the blood. Then belonging to maintain the stable temperature regardless environmental changes. Without this heat distribution, and body would struggle to warm in a cold. Then next it is leading to dangerous health consequences like hypothermia or heart stroke. Then coming to next, blood, it is a key factor in our bodies, and it is also help in healing processes. When a cut is obtained and injury, platelets of the blood work quickly and preventing excessive bleeding and creating a tissue repair. Blood also carries a growth factor and nutrient to the injury side, and it also recovery process. Without blood, even minor injury um, became a life threatening due to the uncontrolled bleeding and lack of healing. Then in short, blood is a body's lifeline. It sustains every system in a body, from delivering oxygen, nutrient to removing waste, defending against the diseases, and regulating its temperature, enabling healing, and it constantly support and protect from ensuring the body infection and smoothly efficiently every moment. Thank you.